Hey guys, let's see about variable assignment today. To start with the basics, I am assigning two simple numbers to two variables a and b and adding them. Next, an example of assigning two strings to variables and adding them. It's pretty straightforward in Python, but let's see what not to do. Python doesn't allow you to add special symbols with the variable name. You cannot include spaces in the variable name. You can replace the spaces with the underscore. Next is Python allows dynamic typing. That is, you can assign different values to the same variable name. It takes the latest updated value. As an example, you can see in the video, the variable name returns the latest updated value. Another important aspect while naming the variables is avoid using the function names as variable names, as it would replace the functions of that variable name. For example, for print, if you assign a variable to it, then you cannot use the function print.